person turning into you. He turns in, you switch, and you go to Kesa Gatame. In this case, this is Kesa Gatame, okay? When you're here, okay, we're going to start off with our arm attacks. First of all, it makes a big difference on how you position your body and how you position your weight. Right now I'm being nice, okay? You know the ABCs?
Yes.
Say ABCs.
I don't remember.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay. Say it louder. A, B, C.
A, B, C, D.
Okay. Now,
Did it hurt?
say it again. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Okay? Just by lifting your butt off the floor a little bit, I'm driving my ribs into his diaphragm here. Okay? So, when I have this, I want to be here. Again, remember, knee up. And here. I actually want to sag my butt away, my hips away, a little bit. Look, he taps just from that, just from the pressure. Okay? Yeah. It's very uncomfortable. Okay? So not just here. I don't lean into him, okay, because you can get rolled. Okay? I want to lean into him, but look, I sag away. My butt's still not hitting the floor, and all of the weight is going into him. Okay? That's what's going to cause, that discomfort is going to cause him to make mistakes and give you stuff. Okay? Here, he's going to want to get out. Get out. Do something. Okay? Look, he's going to want to get away. Okay? So now, you just here, you start off regular side control. Here, turns in, boom, I switch. Okay? Once you switch, first attack, here, push the arm straight, and step over it. Okay? Everybody remember this?
Yes.
For more flexible people, what I like to do is I like to put my foot on top of his wrist and push it down. If he bends, that's the natural reaction that leads us into our second attack. If I'm here and he bends, good, I feed it into this one, which is even worse. Okay, then from here, triangle, taps right away. Okay? First one, just here. I'm here, just put my leg over. See where his elbow is? Slide this down, taps already. Pin the shoulder. One goes down, one goes up.
We're sliding in or right? No.
I'm sliding this, yeah. I want to break his elbow. But here, if I push, see how his shoulder flexes up? Once I step over, I want to take this leg and slide it down right here, towards his elbow. Got it? Look, see? He starts wincing. Now once your leg's over it, but that's still not enough. See how his shoulder comes up? I want to pin his shoulder. Got it?
Yes.
That's what makes it quick. Okay? So you're here, regular side control. Turns in. Boom. I switch. Right away. Get my position. Here. Sag away. He starts trying to move. Look. If he does that, I catch this one. If he keeps his arm straight, bring this over, leg comes down, pin the shoulder, and there's your arm lock. Okay?
Yes.
Try the straight one first. If they're too flexible, I'll take this out. I step on this. Come here, Alex. See here? Look at his arm. It's like a rubber band. It's okay. Just step. Step on it. Okay? Slide this down. Pin the shoulder. Once you pin that shoulder, it's all the flexibility out. I even like to pin the shoulder before I move my knee down. So once I'm here, I'll come around, I'll pin the shoulder, and now start sliding the knee down. I'll make the break with my leg instead of my arm.
That hurts.
I know.